Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need a passport size photo and you don't want to spend money at photo studio, you can actually take a perfect picture right at your home using just your smartphone. In this video, I will show you exactly how to take a passport size photo on an Android phone, and don't worry, iPhone users can also follow the exact same steps too. We will go over how to take a photo, how to resize it to the passport dimensions, how to remove the background if needed, and even how to print or save it. Now, before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links in the description of all the resources mentioned in this video. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to remember just a few things before actually clicking that perfect passport size photo. First of all, you will need a plain white or light color background. A blank wall or even a white bed sheet would work for it. As you can see that in this particular image, the background is blue because the woman is dressed in white. Similarly, you can keep the background white and you can dress in black or blue t-shirt. Then you will need to have good lighting. You need to stand facing a window or any natural light, or you can even use a ring light if indoors. Now you need to remember that there is no harsh shadow behind you or on your face, so you need to stand or sit straight, shoulder relaxed, and look directly into the camera with neutral expression. You can just seek the help from this particular photo as well, how you need to look while clicking that passport size photo. Now so you can ask someone to take a photo for you, or you can use a tripod with the timer on your camera. Now is the time to take the photo using your phone's camera. So you can simply just open the default camera application on your Android or your iPhone device, and over here you need to make sure that you use the rear camera if someone else is taking the photo, or you can avoid using any filter or any beauty modes. You need to keep your head and shoulder fully visible in the frame and leave the space around your head and don't crop it too close. Now you can take multiple shots and pick the one that is best for you. Now is the time to crop to the passport size photo. Now before cropping to the passport size photo, I would highly recommend you to download and install this passport photo maker, and you can download it from Google Play Store or App Store. So here you need to simply open your Google Play Store or App Store and search for passport size photo app. Over here you will find this application, that is AI passport and ID photo maker. So you need to simply download and install it. Then you can create an ID photo with the help of this app. You can change the background color and you can even customize the photo ID template. On the home page you will see this create an ID photo option. So once you click on it, you will have to select which document do you want to use and for which document you want to create the ID. So this is perfect. You can select passport, visa, standard. So since you want to take a passport size photo, you can select passport, and for different types of passports you need to require different passport size resolutions. So this application has also given you this thing, like for United States passport you need to have 2 into 2 inch. For Canada passport you need to have this type of dimension, and so on. So you can even select which country's passport size photo you want to make. So let's say I want to make the United States, so it will show you all the dimensions, all the pixels, and this will be very helpful for you. Now you can just select the background color here, and I would recommend you to keep it white. Now you need to open the camera from here, or if you already have any photo, you can select that photo from your gallery, and after selecting that camera, it is going to give you some instructions, like as I said earlier, you need to have good photo, you need to face to the camera, expose your ear, avoid wearing any clothes that actually matches the wall, and you need to make sure that the light is bright to avoid any uneven skin tone. Now once you have all of these, you need to simply press OK, and in this particular frame you just have to simply align yourself and click a photo. After clicking the photo, it will just going to add you in this particular frame, and with the help of AI you will be able to actually create a passport size photo in no time. And this application is also available for iPhone and Android users both. Now, as I said earlier, if you want to take a photo of yourself in with the help of your phone's camera, you just have to click a perfect photo by keeping all of the given instructions in mind. And after that, you need to use a passport size photo maker, and for that you can download this one. If you have selected that, and if you want to change the background of that particular image, you can just upload it over here, and then you can just customize it as per your need. Or you can even use some online tools, yeah, like 123passportphoto.com or remove.bg. if you want to remove a background of your image, then you need to simply upload the photo, select your country, and drag the box to fit your face correctly. Adjust the brightness and contrast if needed, and the application or the tool will going to generate the cropped passport size version automatically. Now, in order to remove the background, although this is optional, but you can just use this particular application itself, or as I said earlier, you can just use remove.bg, and from there you can just delete the background. So this will help you to meet all the official standards, especially for the online ID or any visa applications. Now, here is the important thing: you need to keep your face clear and do not add any shadows or any colored background. Now, in order to save it, you can simply see the save option in the top right hand corner. So you can save it in the high quality like JPEG or PNG, and you are done. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.